Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to create sticker on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the top left. Then select the background that you like. Now tap on the sticker icon beside the text icon at the top. Tap on Cutouts. Now select the picture that you want to create the sticker of. If you're not satisfied with the sticker it created, tap on Select manually at the bottom left. Then tap on the image to create a cutout. Keep on tapping until you're satisfied. Just like so. After you're done, tap on Use Sticker icon at the bottom right. You can resize the images and use it as much as you like to create the story that you want to. After you're satisfied, tap on your story to post it on your story. And that is how to create sticker on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Health Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.